Hi, welcome to Quick and Simple. Today I'll show you how to check for new Windows 11 updates. First, go to Settings and click Windows Update. Here, click Check for updates. It might take a couple minutes. Now, as you can see, the updates are downloading, and I recommend you to click download and install all the additional updates to keep your PC safe and updated. Now, as you can see, the update is downloaded and it says pending restart. Sometimes you won't have to restart the PC, but in this case you have to click start, power option, and update and restart, or update and shut down. And that's all. Thanks for watching.